Have you ever imagined living somewhere for free? Picture a life where your biggest expense, housing, is completely off the table. Across the globe, certain places offer the allure of living without the burden of monthly rent or a mortgage. From remote islands to revitalized urban centers, these unique opportunities redefine the concept of home. They invite adventurers, dreamers, and anyone yearning for a change to explore life from a new perspective. Stick around as we dive into some of the most fascinating places where you can live without spending a dime on housing. First stop, Alaska, where cold weather meets warm opportunities. Imagine a place where the stunning vistas of snow-dusted mountains and the aurora borealis overhead aren't just a backdrop for life, but also a gateway to unique financial benefits. Welcome to Alaska, the largest state in the United States by area, and perhaps one of the most intriguing when it comes to managing living costs. Here in Alaska, residents have a unique financial advantage thanks to the Alaska Permanent Fund dividend. Established in 1976, this fund was created to share the profits from oil revenues with the state's residents. Essentially, it turns natural resources into a direct benefit for the people who live here. Each year, the fund distributes an annual dividend to every man, woman, and child who qualifies as a resident. But what does it take to qualify? Well, you'll need to have lived in Alaska for at least one full calendar year and demonstrate the intention to remain in the state indefinitely. This isn't just about being present, it's about being part of the community. The size of the dividend varies each year, depending on the market and the fund's performance. In recent years, dividends have ranged from a few hundred to over $2,000 per person. While this might not cover all living expenses, it certainly helps offset the costs of residing in this beautiful yet remote part of the world. So if you can handle the chill, Alaska might just fund your living. Next up, Marne, Iowa, where small-town charm comes with free land. Nestled in the heart of America's expansive Midwest, Marne offers an intriguing proposition for anyone dreaming of building their own home. This small, welcoming community is giving away land for free. Yes, completely free. To individuals or families ready to plant their roots and contribute to the vibrant local life. Here's the deal. The lots offered measure approximately 1/4 of an acre, a generous space for both a house and a yard. But there's a catch to qualify for this free land. One must commit to constructing a home that meets certain criteria within a set time frame. These building requirements ensure that the community grows with quality, sustainable homes that enhance the area's appeal. Marne is not just offering a piece of land, it's an invitation to be part of a close-knit community, where neighbors know each other by name and support one another. It's an opportunity to enjoy the serenity of rural America while contributing to the town's legacy. Build your dream house, and the lot comes for free. Ever dreamed of island life? Pitcairn Island might just be your paradise. Nestled in the embrace of the vast South Pacific, this secluded island offers more than just breathtaking views and tranquil solitude. In an attempt to rejuvenate its dwindling population, the local government of Pitcairn Island has initiated an intriguing proposition: free land. That's right. The island is inviting new residents by offering plots of land at no cost. But don't pack your bags just yet. This opportunity comes with its unique set of challenges and requirements. Interested parties must go through a detailed application process designed to ensure that only those truly suited to the island's lifestyle make the move. Living on Pitcairn means embracing a life of self-sufficiency. With no supermarkets or malls, residents often have to grow their own food, fish for their meals, and tackle the challenges of limited resources. The island currently supports a small community, deeply connected by their unique circumstances and shared responsibilities. Moreover, the remote location adds another layer of complexity. Situated over 3,000 miles away from the nearest continent, Pitcairn Island is accessible only by a long boat ride after a flight to French Polynesia. This isolation means that medical facilities are basic, and help from the outside world isn't readily available. Yet, for the right kind of adventurer, the rewards of Pitcairn Island are unparalleled. Picture waking up every day to the serene sounds of the ocean, surrounded by lush greenery and a community that feels like family. For those who seek solitude and adventure, Pitcairn offers more than just free land. Heading back to the urban life, Detroit's revitalization might have a place for you. In recent years, Detroit has been buzzing with a new kind of energy, fueled in part by innovative programs designed to breathe new life into its neighborhoods. One such initiative is the Urban Homesteading Program. This program isn't just about finding a place to live. It's about creating a community and rebuilding the storied city block by block. The urban homesteading program in Detroit offers a unique opportunity. Take ownership of a home for little to no cost, with a promise to restore it. It sounds almost too good to be true, but it's a genuine effort by the city to revitalize fading neighborhoods. The eligibility criteria? You need to demonstrate a clear plan and the financial means to renovate the property within a set time frame. This is not just a handout, it's a partnership with the city. Participants are required to commit to renovating their new homes, adhering to specific codes and timelines. The beauty of this program lies in its potential for transformation, not just of the properties themselves, but also of the lives of the participants and the community at large. Imagine turning a derelict house into a vibrant home, where every stroke of the paintbrush and every nailed plank contributes to the larger tapestry of Detroit's resurgence. This initiative is perfect for those who are not just looking for a house, but for a project. For those who see not just with their eyes, but with their vision. Urban pioneers, take note. Detroit could be your chance to own a piece of the Motor City. Now, let's jet over to Spain, where entire villages await. In the rolling landscapes of Spain, nestled between vibrant green hills and ancient olive groves, lie villages that time seems to have forgotten. These hamlets, once brimming with life and laughter, now stand quiet, a testament to rural exodus and changing times. But there's a silver lining. Spain has rolled out an intriguing initiative. Revitalize these sleepy villages by inviting people like you and me to make them home again, at little to no cost. Imagine owning a home amidst scenic beauty, without the burden of a hefty mortgage. Sounds dreamy, right? But of course, this picturesque opportunity comes with its own set of responsibilities. Those who choose to embark on this adventure aren't just handed the keys to a quaint stone house. They're handed a commitment to refurbish these aging beauties, to breathe new life into their walls, and to integrate into the local community. This initiative isn't merely about repopulation, but about economic rejuvenation. New villagers are expected to contribute to the local economy, whether by starting a small business, farming the land, or participating in local trade. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that cherishes and preserves the cultural and historical heritage of these places. Each village has its unique charm and history, waiting to be discovered and appreciated anew. For those willing to roll up their sleeves and invest not just their money but their hearts, these villages offer a chance to be part of something bigger, a community revival. Embrace the rustic charm of Spain and rejuvenate a village with your presence. Imagine waking up every day in a place you live for free. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? Throughout our journey today, we've traversed the globe from the icy frontiers of Alaska to the sun-drenched villages of Spain, discovering that the concept of living without the burden of housing costs isn't just a fantasy, but a palpable reality in certain corners of the world. In Alaska, the Permanent Fund Dividend offers a unique financial incentive, rewarding residents annually just for making the last frontier their home. Imagine the serene wilderness as your backyard, where every day brings a new adventure amidst snow-capped mountains and expansive forests. Then there's Marne, Iowa, where free plots of land beckon those willing to build their own homes, offering a slice of the American dream in a tight-knit community setting. It's a chance to craft your own space in the heartland of America, surrounded by fields that stretch into the horizon. Crossing oceans, Pitcairn Island provides a more secluded retreat, offering free land to those who meet specific criteria, aiming to rejuvenate its dwindling population. This remote island life promises profound peace, but demands resilience and adaptability. Back to urban realms, Detroit's own initiatives to revitalize certain neighborhoods provide houses at significantly reduced costs, aiming to breathe new life into the city with every new resident. And in Spain, entire villages lie empty, waiting for new inhabitants to restore their old-world charm under the sun. Whether it's the rugged wilderness of Alaska or the historic villages of Spain, living for free is a reality in these unique locales. Explore these opportunities and perhaps you'll find your new home.